In today's video, I'm going to share with you 30 things that every woman needs. I'm loving my new kitchen strainer and I had to share it with you. I love that it has the base, so I don't have to leave my strainer in the sink to fully drain. It can sit out until it's completely drained. Now I want to make sure that you know how to get to every product in today's video. So to do that, there's going to be the word more over here. If you click more, my description box is going to drop down. All of the links to all of the products will be right there. You can click on them and it'll take you directly to those products. Or if you're watching me on your TV, I'll put the QR code right here. You can scan the QR code and it will take you to those links as well. I love finding budget decor on Amazon, and lately I have found so many high-end Pottery Barn dupes on Amazon that I had to share them with you. These items are so good. You do not have to spend a lot of money on your decor to have it look amazing. This first vase I think would be great sitting out in your decor. I love the dark color. I love the texture on it, and it's just so good. Now they've had these on Amazon before, but they've always been really expensive. I found these, I felt like they were much more affordable. They are these great rattan boxes. They have a glass top to them, and then you can just open them up. Now you could put these sitting out on your coffee table, purely decorative, or you could put your remotes in here. I also found this scallop stone tray. I thought it would be perfect to set out. Now, if you're looking for any of my planters, I recently just bought a ton of new planters at Walmart. I will link those for you down below. If you're looking for some florals for your house, I recently added these over here. Now, this whole grouping is from Walmart. These are Walmart's new planters. I just recently put these in a video, but I wanted to add some faux florals because there's not a lot of light over here. You may remember these flowers are from Amazon. I have them in blue. I had them on my coffee table, but look how gorgeous they are in white. I absolutely love them over here, and you get 2 in a pack, so they're plenty to fill up your vase. This time of year, I like to wear warm clothes, so let me show you how you can take a basic tee and some leggings and dress it up 4 different ways. Okay, so my basics that I'm wearing, these leggings and my top are both from Amazon. Top under $10, leggings under $10. So that's my basic staple outfit. This is a Sherpa hoodie vest that I got off of Amazon that I think is perfect to put over this outfit. Just get it in any pop of color. It comes in a bunch of different colors, but I love that it has the hoodie, and what's cool is it snaps off. So if you want to take the hoodie off, you can, and it has pockets, and I'm telling you, these vests will keep you warm. This is my favorite vest. I love the way this one looks. I love that it comes a little bit farther off the sleeves. Now this one is a little bit lighter weight than the last one. Sometimes I get a little hot in the Sherpa, so if it's not a super cold day, a lot of times I will go with a vest like this, but I'm definitely going to be buying this in more colors, and this one comes down and covers the bum area. Another option would be to add this jacket. Now I got it in the beige and green, but again, this comes in a lot of colors. This is a perfect option just to keep you warm. So you can wear it out like this, or you could zip it up and then tuck it under like this. You can even use this little scruncher on the side to scrunch it. Or another option, you could do this Sherpa pullover. How adorable are these polka dots? I absolutely love this look. Now, if you're looking for a great cardigan, I have this new waffle knit one from Amazon. I bought mine in cream, but it does come in a bunch of different colors, and that is another great option that you can wear with just a basic white tee and leggings. I also found the most perfect seamless no-show underwear that you can wear with your leggings or any of your pants. I'll link those for you down below. So I have this big couch here in my living room, and I feel like I've gotten maybe too many pillows on this couch. Over the holidays, I did the Ralph Lauren plaid, but right now I'm just really wanting something neutral. So I found these 2 pillowcases off of Amazon. Now these are gonna go on my larger pillows. And then I also found these. Now they come in a bunch of different colors, but I felt like they looked so high end, like Pottery Barn. I'm gonna recover some of my pillows with these pillow covers and mix in some of the ones I already have. So I did buy this pillow cover off of Amazon. I'm gonna keep this one because I feel like it's a good neutral, but it gives me a little bit of pattern. If you're looking for any of these pillows or anything I'm showing you in today's video, there is a section right here that says more. If you click on more, it's going to drop down all the links. You can click on the links and it will take you directly to the product. Or I'll put the QR code right here. You can scan it with your phone because I know a lot of you watch me on your TV. You can scan it right here and it'll take you to the products. Now that my pillows are a little bit more neutral and coordinated, I'm gonna figure out where to put them on the couch. I feel like these pillows definitely look better together and they're gonna be great this time of year. If you haven't bought any jewelry off of Amazon, I want you to consider it because they have some really great pieces. Now last year, my favorite necklace was this chunky heart necklace. It looked gorgeous. I wore it with so many different outfits. Well, I found this one in December and I feel like it's going to be my new favorite. It connects in the front, kind of like my heart necklace did, but it's this really good quality chain necklace. I've already worn it with so many different outfits. It honestly looks great with anything. I love wearing bracelets, but I don't typically wear them when I'm filming YouTube videos because I feel like when I'm DIYing, they clank around. But in my normal life, I'm wearing them all the time. And lately, I've been struggling with all the clasps with bracelets, and I just wanted something that was easy to put on. I found this stretch bracelet that was really thick. I thought it would be great for layering, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. One of my favorite Amazon jewelry brands is Pavoy. I think that's how you pronounce it, but I've gotten so many different things from them that I absolutely love. I recently just ordered these. I haven't even tried them on yet, but I just saw them and I thought they were the prettiest earring. They're not like anything I have. Now I have several Pavoy earrings, but I cannot wait to start wearing these. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is decor. I have a small bathroom in my basement and we recently had to redo my basement. I wanted this bathroom to look really nice, really high end, but I didn't want to spend a lot of money. So practically everything I got in here was from Amazon. So let me show you what I did to my bathroom to make it look high end. Now the one thing I splurged on down here was this vanity. I knew this was going to be the one piece of furniture in here, so I spent a little bit more on this vanity and I'm so happy with it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the fluted detail on the front. I mean, the storage space is enough and the top is gorgeous. But to make the vanity a little bit more affordable, I bought my fixtures off of Amazon. Now with my mirror, I really like these light up LED mirrors off of Amazon. You can get some great deals on these. And I decided to not go with a light fixture at the top because I felt like the light up LED mirror provided enough light. And if you're looking for any of these bathroom items, I'm gonna create a QR code that will take you to all of my bathroom items. Or if you go down below where it says the word more, click on that and all the links you will be able to see. Now to save money with the vanity, I decided to get my faucet off of Amazon and I feel like this is absolutely gorgeous. I don't have a lot of room up here, but I decided to go with an automatic soap dispenser as well. Now on the other side, I wanted something that was a little bit decorative, so I found this scallop bowl. So pretty, I absolutely love it. And I'm going to be adding in some washcloths for my guests that come over. And don't forget your rug. I decided to go with this grippy rug, but if you need a larger one, they come in so many different sizes. Now you guys may be wondering about this shower curtain. This is actually a regular curtain. Now I did spend a little bit more on these curtains, but I absolutely love how vintage they look in here. And I felt like I just needed a pattern. Everything's very white in here, so I needed a little bit of pattern to add some interest. So I got 2 curtain panels and I hung them on a gold shower rod with clips from Amazon. Now don't worry because behind here, let me show you guys, I did add a regular shower curtain over here. So I have 2 different shower curtains hanging up. Amazon has a lot of vintage looking high-end fixtures that aren't the cheapest they have, but they're still pretty affordable. I got my towel hook and my toilet paper holder in this vintage design, and I think they add a lot. You can also really get some nice knobs on Amazon as well. You can also change out your tank lever on your toilet. It's a small detail, but I think it makes a big difference. And of course, my wall art in here is also from Amazon. I love getting large wall art at affordable prices. I feel like this year we all need the automatic trash cans. They're fairly affordable and they are just so nice to have in your bathroom. And you really can't go wrong with waffle knit towels. I bought mine in a 4-pack and they come in multiple colors. And you also don't need a boring nightlight. This one comes in a 2-pack and it looks like decor. But I feel like I saved a bunch of money buying these items off of Amazon. If you have a door in your basement or somewhere that will not stay open, you need a door stopper. I have a door over here in my basement that just always shuts on its own. So I'm going to place this door stopper down at the base to hold it open. Now, what I love about this door stopper is it has like the command strips, so it's really easy to put in place. This time of year, my skin is put to the limits. I have dry skin, and so I have tried practically every product to moisturize. The two that I've come up with that I really like are actually pretty affordable. Now, when I get out of the shower, the lotion I like is this Eucerin one right here, and it does a good job of really helping to moisturize. Now, if I find my skin in the morning is feeling really dry, I will put this on my legs, and it does a great job of moisturizing throughout the day. Recently, I also started adding in this retinol overnight lotion. I put retinol on my face at night and I thought, you know, let's try it on my body. It's supposed to be great for renewing your skin. Now, I don't do this every time I put lotion on. I do this about once a week when I get out of the shower, and I find that it really helps to nourish my skin as well. It doesn't dry it out. These scalp bowls are so trendy right now. I just picked up this black one, and you don't really have to do anything with it. You could just put it out sitting on your counters or in your living room as decor, or you could use it as a functional bowl, so you could throw mail in there or your keys. Now, knowing what floral stems to pick up can be really tricky. I had to show you guys these. These stems are amazing. I just got them this month and they are very long, but what I like about them is the wires on them are super bendable. So you can bend them any way you want to really get that nice look in your vase. And these are super long too. So if you have a larger vase that you want something to just be over the top gorgeous, this is a good option. Now, if you like knowing all of my best deals that I find off of Amazon, Walmart, or any store, you need to be following me on Liz Fenwick Deals. There's several places you can do it. I have a Facebook group called Liz Fenwick Deals, and daily I'm posting the top deals of the day. Just go to Facebook, type in Liz Fenwick Deals group, and we would love to have you. Or if you like being on Instagram, I also have an Instagram called Liz Fenwick Deals, and I just started a third YouTube channel called Liz Fenwick Deals. I would love for you to subscribe there. I'm excited for this channel because we're going to be posting exclusive deals over there as well. Now, when I'm working here in my office, I use readers to look at my computer. In fact, these readers are from Amazon. I bought them in a pack of 3 and they were really affordable, and I think they're super cute. But I love anything that's going to help me see better when I'm looking at all of these devices throughout the day. Now, I found this device on Amazon that I thought was so cool, and it's a magnifier for your phone. So you place your phone in the back and then you just flip up the magnifier and your screen appears to be so much bigger. It's like the coolest thing. I love it here when I need to look at my phone and my computer. Now, I will say the one thing about this is you have to be at eye level with it. So if you were like standing up at your kitchen counter, you're not going to be able to see it if you're looking down. So you have to be just sitting where you can watch it. I don't know about you, but I struggle to find swimsuits that fit me really well. And when I find one, I want to let you know about it. I recently picked up this Cupshe swimsuit. It's a #1 bestseller on Amazon, and it was recommended by several people. I got it in this really fun floral pattern, which typically I won't buy a floral pattern like this. It fit really well, it had the tummy control, and it comes in so many different patterns. So I will link it for you if you're interested. Bag charms are so trendy right now. You can put them on your purses, you can put them on your backpacks. When I saw this one on Amazon, I thought it was adorable. Now, this actually comes in so many different colors. I wanted to get a bright color, so I went with this orange. It has a little scarf that you can add on there. I just clipped this to my cooler bag. This I actually got off of Amazon as well. I take this everywhere. Honestly, it's in my car most days if I want to keep something cool, but you just clip it on, and then this little part opens here, and you can add your chapstick, whatever you want. I have a little hand sanitizer inside. Now, of course, my outfit of the day is from Amazon. I wanted to show it to you guys. This is a great little athleisure outfit. I was really drawn to the stripes that are on it. This is a complete zip-up jacket. It has pockets. I did buy it in a large, which sometimes I wear a medium. I feel like the large fits pretty good, but I could probably do a medium as well. And then the pants also have pockets, and you have that stripe going all the way down. Now I have another black and white outfit that is a little bit more dressy, but it's still a super comfortable set. I absolutely love the way this one looks. I got it in black and white, and then I also got a tan option. Do you buy your lighting off of Amazon? Practically my whole entire house is lighting from Amazon, and this is the recent purchase that I bought. Now this is going down to my basement, and I just feel like it's such a pretty gold sconce. It was super affordable. I'll link it for you down below. So I have this couch in my basement, and I wanted to get some new pillows, update them a little bit. So I bought another neutral pillow set off of Amazon. I like this one because it's that neutral color, but it does have a little bit of texture. And I find that when you can get texture on your pillows, it makes them look a little bit more high end. So I'll show you kind of up close what that looks like, but these are great. They come in a 2-pack. Now, if you're looking for anything in today's video, I will have it linked for you down in the description box, or I'll put the QR code right here. You can scan it and it will take you to all the links, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.